Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today's topic is stray dogs and Supreme Court's recent order on stray dogs in Delhi NCR. What does it mean for public safety, animal rights, and our cities? Let's find out. Point number 1. Backdrop of the verdict. On 11th August 2025, the Supreme Court issued a sweeping directive mandating the removal of all stray dogs from public areas in Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, and Ghaziabad within 8 weeks, and relocation to shelters with no re-release permitted. The court emphasized the urgency of action, citing rampant dog bite incidents, nearly 2,000 cases daily, and the grave risk of rabies, especially for children. Authorities were instructed to implement sterilization, vaccination, shelters, CCTV monitoring, and a dedicated helpline for dog bites. Point number 2. Why now? What triggered it? The case was suo motu initiated, triggered by mounting dog bite incidents and a tragic child death due to rabies. In the court's view, a grim situation had unfolded due to inaction from civic authorities, failing to properly apply animal birth control (ABC) rules, which mandate humane sterilization and vaccination. Point number 3. Pushback, protests, and public debate. The order sparked widespread outrage and protest. Animal rights advocates launched candlelight marches and rallies insisting on sterilization and vaccination instead of removal. Public figures like Rupali Ganguly chided the verdict, calling stray dogs protectors whose absence could harm community safety. Actress Chahat Khanna also voiced deep concern, urging respect and humane treatment for these animals. Critics warned that removing dogs without viable alternatives and infrastructure could lead to cruelty and ecological imbalance. One editorial referenced Surat's 1994 mass culling, which inadvertently sparked a plague outbreak due to unchecked rodent populations. Point number 4. Judicial recalibration, fresh hearing. Amid backlash, CJI Gavai swiftly called the matter off the original 2-judge bench and reassigned it to a 3-judge bench led by Justice Vikram Nath. On 14th August, the new bench heard petitions seeking a stay of 11th August order. The court again pointed to civic inaction, the whole problem, as the root cause and emphasized accountability from all authorities. The court reserved its order, meaning they are still deliberating whether the directive should be paused or amended. Point number 5. Why it matters, public reflection. Public safety versus animal welfare, over 3.7 million dog bites annually across India. Infrastructure gaps, senior advocates questioned feasibility. Where will the dogs go if shelters don't exist? Emotional stakes, stray dogs represent companionship, community bonding, and guardianship for many. Systemic accountability reflects broader concerns about urban wildlife and public systems management. Point number 6. Wrap-up and calls to action. To sum up, the SC's 11th August directive reflects urgent public safety concerns. But it raises tough questions about implementation, infrastructure, ethics, and animal welfare. With the matter now back before a 3-judge bench, we'll need to wait and see if the court tempers the order. What do you think? Is this decision necessary or extreme? Can we find a compassionate, effective balance between public safety and animal rights? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so we can keep exploring India's most pressing issues together.